Most people carry a kind of pain they never speak about. Not because they want to be strong, but because somewhere along the way, they learned that their struggles wouldn't really matter to anyone else. So they learned to smile, to say, "I'm fine," to keep moving as if nothing inside them was heavy. But the truth is, the pain you hide is not weakness. It is not failure. It is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of a strength you don't even realize you're building. Let me take you into a moment that almost everyone experiences at least once. Quietly, privately, without telling anybody. You're sitting alone, maybe in your room, maybe in your car after a long day, maybe standing in the bathroom, staring at your own reflection, wondering how life got so complicated. You think about everything you don't talk about, the money stress that keeps you awake at night, the broken trust you pretend didn't hurt you, the dreams you stopped chasing because life demanded survival first, the feeling that you've fallen behind while everyone else is moving forward. It hits you slowly, gently, but deeply. I'm carrying all of this alone. And at first, that realization feels unfair. Almost cruel, because you thought someone would show up, a friend, a partner, a mentor, anyone. But no one did. And that's where the transformation begins. Because pain, real pain, has a strange way of shaping you into someone you never imagined you could become. Think about the worst moments you've lived through. Not the loud ones, the quiet ones. The months when you felt lost but still showed up for work. The days when you cried but still held your responsibilities together. The nights when you wanted to give up but your alarm still woke you the next morning and you still tried again. You didn't break. You bent, but you didn't break. And those moments, when you thought you were weakest, were actually the moments when your foundation was being rebuilt. People often imagine strength as something loud and visible. But real strength is born in silence. Strength is when you go to work, even though everything inside you feels heavy. Strength is when you sit with uncomfortable emotions instead of running away from them. Strength is when you take responsibility for your life, even when no one supports you. Strength is when you choose discipline over temporary escape. Strength is when you accept that your past hurt you, but you refuse to let it define you. Strength is built in the dark, long before it shows in the light. Let me share a story that proves this. There was a man I knew who lived years hiding his pain job pressure. Bills piling up, people depending on him, dreams slipping away. He didn't complain. He didn't ask for help. He didn't tell anyone how overwhelmed he felt. He just kept going. But one night, after everyone in the house had gone to sleep, he sat alone at the kitchen table and whispered to himself, "I can't keep living like this." Not loudly, not dramatically, just honestly. That moment, unnoticeable to anyone else, was the beginning of his rise. Not because the world suddenly helped him, not because luck arrived, but because he made a quiet promise to himself to stop letting life happen to him and start shaping it instead. He started learning a new skill in the evenings. He stopped wasting small amounts of money on things that didn't matter. He began exercising even when he felt tired. He started writing down goals, even small ones. He began saying no to people who drained him. Nothing big, just small steps. Small decisions. Small bursts of courage that came from the same pain he once tried to hide. And slowly, very slowly, his life began to shift. Not dramatically, not instantly, but consistently. A year later, he stood taller. He had more confidence. His finances were stable. His mind was clearer. His relationships were healthier. He felt like someone he could trust again. And the strength that helped him rebuild his life came directly from the pain he carried quietly for years. That's why I'm telling you this. Your hidden pain is not a punishment. It is preparation. Pain teaches you discipline because you have no choice but to survive. Pain teaches you clarity because it forces you to look at what truly matters. Pain teaches you self-respect because you learn who deserves space in your life. Pain teaches you patience because nothing changes overnight. Pain teaches you resilience because you keep getting back up. Pain teaches you responsibility because you begin to understand that no one else can live your life for you. The pain you hide today becomes the strength you use tomorrow because pain forces growth, and growth forces you to rise. So if you're hurting right now, if you're carrying something quietly, if you feel alone in your struggle, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not weak for feeling tired. You are not broken for feeling lost. You are not failing for moving slowly. You are becoming stronger than you've ever been, even if you don't see it yet. The version of you in the future is being built right now. In this very season, through the very challenges you wish would disappear. One day, you will look back at this moment, The moment you reliving right now, and realize it didn't break you, it built you. And when you rise from this, you won't rise the same. You'll rise wiser, calmer, more grounded, more grateful, and far more capable than the version of you who walked into this pain. Remember, the pain you hide today becomes the strength you use tomorrow. And that strength will take you places your old self only dreamed of. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more content like this. Take care.